Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me and wanted to know if my new 3D effect would work on a text. And the answer is yes. I've already answered the question, but I thought I'd make a video on how to do it. I just did the word epilogue. And also, I ran this other file quite large, and the detail is incredible. These little cones come up like little uh, funnel looking things. Even in the small one, the detail is, this thing's like 2.5 inches. The detail's incredible. So let's do a text. Let me get these. Tell you what, I'm gonna just delete it. Well, this is what it looks like, and this is what it's gonna look like when you see it. And I maybe made the outline a little bit too thick, and you can play around with that. But this is text would probably be the easiest thing to do. Just a few steps you need to kind of follow. So I'm going to get rid of these photographs to help Corel work a little faster. I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to type out in all caps epilogue. And now you need to make a thick font so you can get some good contour. I'm going to use Arial Black. And there we have it. I'm going to left click. I'm going to right click on a hairline so we can see it. I mean on red so we can see it. Now what you need to do is take and select it all, contour it to the outside, and we're just going to contour black. But I wanted more than that. I wanted because you never really know how big your text is. Let's go 0.15, and that's pretty good, but we really want the letters to kind of all form together. So let's do 0.5, see what it does. Contour's too large. Let's back up here, and let's select it all and go contour. Contour's too large. Okay, what we can do, let's take this and let's go to arrange and let's break artistic text apart. Go to arrange, group. Okay, let's go arrange, convert to curves. Now we can put a outline around the whole thing. Now let's take our outline and let's just cursor down. And that's fine that it did not take the middle part out. Now let's contour. Let's see if it'll let us contour that half. And it did it to the inside. We need to go to the outside. And that's maybe what I had wrong a while ago. It's probably going to the inside. So that's pretty good. Go up to arrange, break contour apart. And let's take the outside contour, cursor down, let's fill it all in with black. Now we need to take our original text and we need to left click and make a light gray outline. Then you have to do these individual letters. So we're going to go to the center at 0.001, and I should already change this to a, you don't want to go to a pure black, let's go 60% black. And whenever you change the color, it's going to change this up here. So you need to go back point. So you really need to change the color first. Then we can take the P, do this. Once you've got it set, then all you have to do is hit apply again, click on your item, and just go through all the letters. And then hit your G. Now we can take our contour and cursor it up, nudge it up. Now you can see it's on top, so I'm going to hit Q. Mine is, the contour is too thick again. That will, and you can change that. Let's just change it real quick. It'd be very easy. Let's left click and let's contour to the inside one step, 2, let's say. That's a little better. Go up to arrange, break contour apart, take the inside contour, cursor over, and as long as you use your arrow keys, it's going to put it back in the exact same spot. And then just cursor back. That looks a little better, not quite of an outline. You could actually do a little bit less than that, and you would just do the same process. Let's just do that. Left click, right click, contour the inside. Let's just do it again. It'll be quite a bit different. Go up to arrange, break contour apart, grab the center one, and I like cursor out of the way. Left click, cursor down, and it's already in the back of the page, so it looks a lot better. Anyway, so that can be done, and it came out really good. It gives you a neat effect, because what the black is going to do is going to take away a lot of wood, and then it's going to contour down to the center, taking out more wood. I shouldn't erase that picture so you can see it, but you get the idea. Anyway, so you can do a text, and it'd be a really cool effect. Anybody could do that. And this doesn't look real good. You could change your nodes and make this look a little different. Turn these into curves, and then bring this center part up and kind of make it go around that P a little more, and do the same thing to that. Just select these two nodes, turn them into curves, grab that center, and make it look a little bit more uniform. But you can play around with that. And you could also squish the letters a little bit closer together. Now, one of the most important things you could do, if you're going to grade this 3D, select it, go to bitmap, and convert it to a bitmap grayscale. I don't know what it does, but it fuzzies it up a little bit. And especially in this case, the text didn't show up. It etched it all black. I think bitmapping kind of joins it all together. So now you could put this on top of another 3D. You could put it in the center of that dragon circle I made, and it would contour like that. It would look like that. And see how the 3D is slowing down the computer. It's actually having to redraw it. But that's what it would look like. And that would be a really cool logo for somebody. I mean, of course, you don't have to use the dragons. You can use any pattern. Anyway, I hope it answered their question, and thank you for watching.